back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see, we are at Walmart. We're actually getting our last minute presents, and I told Evan, let me check out the trees, and look what I have encountered. Everything is already 50% off, and I cannot believe it. I'm stoked. This is $12. This is $49.50. You guys, it is the perfect time to stock up on Christmas trees. Next year we're not going to be doing real ones. We're actually going to be doing fake ones. I'm honestly in shock at how affordable these trees are. I kind of want to get 2 for next year. Oh my god, they're so pretty. And let's see, the big one, it's $129. Wow. I mean, you guys, we just put our tree last week. I'm shook. And then real trees are only $20 right there. This would be the perfect gift for Leo. Oh my god, I have to show Evan. It's only $100. Oh, so cute. He loves Batman. We got him into Batman. He actually took off, my husband. He went to get some stuff. I'm so tempted to getting a tree. It is so cheap. I cannot believe it. I am in shock. Wow, I don't know. I like the silver one. It's really cute. But I also like that one that is 100. Ooh, you should go to your local Walmart, and if you need a tree for next year, you can always save it. And yeah, 50% off is a great deal.
I don't know how well it will hold together.
Batman! I don't know either. But it's cute.
Batman! about. Is this a frog?
Whoa. Wow. It's a unicorn. Athena's like, what's going on?
You want how many? 10? 10 of those.
I was actually looking at the pretty ones.
Which one? What is considered the pretty one? Listen.
Right there, this one.
This one.
Yeah, you don't think it's cute? Oh, Leo got that pony last year for Christmas.
For his birthday.
Oh, it was her birthday. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, look for Athena, babe. When she gets older.
Yeah, it doesn't move. It's just there.
Oh, okay.
I showed him that earlier. He liked it.
Shop with me at Walmart. It was kind of spontaneous because my husband and I just came by and I started seeing so many cute things. I don't often come here, so I'll show you guys a few things, and then I want to see also the clothing that they have because it seems like they have a lot of cute outfits and they're really reasonable as well. Oh, this is cute. It's only $8.94. Alright, oh, this one's pretty too. It's only $15.62. The numbers, the cents are so random. Like 46, 92. I would expect like 99, but it works. This lamp is so cute too. Okay, so let's go see what they have downstairs. I want to check out the clothing because it seems like they have a lot of cute outfits and they're affordable. So let's go check it out. What do you think about Walmart? Do you like it, Mommy? She's like, I don't know. Que moça. Que moça. Oh, this is kind of cute. Let's see the price. The price for this is only $8.99. Wow, that is so cute for Leo. And that jacket is only $97, which is really reasonable. I like that sweater. I think it's so fun. And the jeans are $13.94. Again, with those random numbers. Oh, this is adorable. The price for this is $8.97, you guys. And I would pair it with this cute little sweatshirt. Alright, you guys, we're home and I'm going to show you the things that I picked up from Walmart. I got some snackies for Athena. The whole 4 set was for $7.50. I also got this Christmas tree for $12.50. All of the trees are going to be on sale after Christmas for 25% off, and then they're going to go for 50%. We got some popcorn. I paid for those $7.99. We got a lot of stuff, but we put it in the closet right now because it's Christmas presents and the kids are getting back from school soon. But I also got this wrapping paper for $5.98. So much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me. We will see you guys on our next one. Tina just woke up from a nap. Alright, we'll see you then. Bye. Say bye. See you guys. Bye. 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 Bye.
For Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remember.